it's your girl Gerlinda, and I'm back again today with another video. Today I am in the middle of cooking brunch. It is just after 12 p.m. So technically it's afternoon, but I haven't had breakfast yet and I kind of want breakfast, so I'm going to do brunch. And let me show you what I've got going so far. Got my bacon cooking and it's almost done. You guys, I'm also going to do eggs and toast. I'm trying to determine whether or not I want to do hash browns. Kind of hungry, so I don't know. It may take me a while if I was going to do hash browns. So I may omit the hash browns today. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing today, guys. So join me. Guys, who doesn't just love cooking their bacon in the oven? You guys, it's so much easier. I mean, if you cook it on the stove top, you got grease splattering everywhere. You're having to wipe the grease and clean in the middle of your cooking, and it's just so much easier in the oven, guys. Comment down below and let me know if you guys cook your bacon in the oven or on the stove top. And I just think it's easier in the oven. So much easier. Yeah, guys, so my bacon's out, and it is just swimming in bacon fat. This is the thick cut bacon that I showed you guys, and it is delicious. If you love bacon, oh my God, that Clover. Let me check the name of it. I think it's Cloverton. First, like I said, it was the first time us buying it, but it is really good bacon. It tastes so good. If you like thick cut bacon, you'll love this. It's great. It's called Cloverdale Triple Slow Smoked Apple Smoked Bacon, Applewood Smoked Bacon. Oh my God, it's so good. We got it at Crest. Now, I'm not sure who else may carry it, but we did get it at Crest, our local grocery store, Crest Foods. So, it has a lot of fat when you cook it, but I just pour the fat off and drain it and use paper towels to soak up any excess bacon fat. And it is really good bacon. I mean, I've been partial to one kind of bacon for some years, but this bacon is good. So if you guys picked up on the country twang, the Oklahoma twang that I have, when I get to talking fast and I'm excited about something and I'm trying to get it out, you're going to hear that a lot. Just a minute ago, I caught myself. I said, I'm partial to. I used to instead of to. Instead of saying, I'm partial to a certain kind of bacon, I said I'm partial to. And that happens all the time, you guys. There's nothing I can do about it. I'm just born and bred in Oklahoma, and I have that country twang to my voice from time to time. It just comes out. Nothing I can do about it. Guys, I am so ready for Halloween. I am just so ready to fill my candy bowl up. And now, last year, we didn't have many trick-or-treaters at all. They were few and far between. I mean, there might be an hour between kids coming by for candy. We even got to go out and do some trick-or-treating our own selves. And then when we came back, we had a few trickle up to the door for candy. So a lot of times we're left with that. I always do enough candy to fill the bowl like 3 times. So we're left with all of that candy, and it's just a bad thing. I try to have Ty give candy to his friends and stuff, just to kind of get rid of that candy. It's just so much candy that I don't know. It's just a lot of candy to deal with afterwards when you don't have a lot of trick-or-treaters coming by. But I am so ready for Halloween. I like the fun, cute Halloween. I don't like Fright Night, kind of really scary, evil type Halloween. I don't like that. I like the cutesy pumpkin, spooky Halloween, but not scary. I don't like scary. I think I told you guys that probably some years ago, that I don't do scary Halloween. I do cutesy Halloween, and we're gonna do some cutesy Halloween scary movies, but you know, not too scary, because I'll have nightmares for weeks. If I watch a scary movie, I think that whatever happens in that movie can happen to me. That's just how I've always been. My mom used to let me go on sleepovers, and she would tell them, do not let her watch a scary movie because she'll be spooked out and freaked out for weeks, and I have to deal with that. So don't let her watch any scary movies. And so that's kind of how I still am. You know, I freak myself out a lot when it comes to scary movies. So won't be any really scary movies going on, but we will be watching some scary movies leading up to Halloween.